In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp photos and videos not showing in your gallery on your iPhone. If you're having trouble finding your media, don't worry, we've got you covered, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the WhatsApp. Next, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. From here, select on chats. Here, make sure the option to save to camera roll is toggled on. This settings allows WhatsApp to save photos and videos to your device's gallery, like this. Now, let's check your iPhone's privacy settings. Exit WhatsApp and go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then select Photos. Now find WhatsApp in the list of photos. Make sure it has full access to your photos. After adjusting the settings, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone to ensure all changes take effect. Now open the Photos app and check if your WhatsApp photos and videos are showing up in the gallery. If you're still having issues, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. Open App Store and search for WhatsApp. And if there's an update available, simply update it. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue of WhatsApp photos and videos not showing on your gallery on iPhone.